Hi, my name is Mike Carpenter, sometimes known as Mike the Money Man. I'm a licensed mortgage broker in the state of Washington, and my license number is 111356. Over the years, I've done quite a few loans for quite a few people, and typically in my meetings with my clients, I break out the big yellow pad of paper, break out the calculator and the pencil, and we draw all kinds of interesting diagrams, and I illustrate the loan process, and I illustrate the concepts associated with doing mortgages. And it's been pretty successful. People seem to like it, so much so that they have urged me to put together a series of videos that describe everything that I normally go through in my meetings with them and put it online so everybody can learn from it. So that's something of the purpose of these videos. This information is as follows. Loan types and loan limits. Strangely enough, we are recording these videos at the beginning of 2019, and the conforming and high balance conforming loan limits have gone up. So it's particularly pertinent at this particular point in history. And we also cover minimum down payments and the factors that drive interest rates. So people often think that everyone gets the same interest rate, which is untrue, and I cover why that's not true. We cover VA loans and VA jumbo loans, and the dreaded VA funding fee, which is the VA equivalent of mortgage insurance. We cover FHA loans, and we cover upfront mortgage insurance premium, which is the FHA version of mortgage insurance. And we cover mortgage insurance specifically, and we talk about conforming loans, and we talk about FHA loans, and we talk about VA loans. But we talk about mortgage insurance factors and how to calculate mortgage insurance. And we talk also about closing costs. No video on the mortgage process would be complete without closing costs. And we also cover prepaid items, prepaid hazard insurance, and prepaid property taxes, and how that affects your overall closing costs. And we cover prepaid interest and how prepaid interest can affect your overall closing costs depending upon when you close. We talk about debt to income ratio. We talk about what is debt and what is income, and how to calculate basic income and how to calculate basic debt to income ratios. We talk about the loan process from the point in which you sign the application, what happens moving forward. And we also talk about adjustable rate mortgages and whether or not adjustable rate mortgages make sense to do and what the mechanics of adjustable rate mortgages are. We also talk about something called index and margin and how a adjustable rate mortgage changes over time. So I hope you find this information informative and useful. If there's some subject matter that I have not covered, please email me, and I'm happy to cover it, or I may append one of the videos with some additional information. So I hope you enjoy the videos, and I hope that you'll pass it on to someone who might be going through the loan process or getting a mortgage that may need a bit of education. And that's the purpose of these videos, is to sort of educate people. And I hope you'll watch them all, and I hope you enjoy them. Thank you. And now for a quick disclaimer. So these videos are intended for informational purposes only. So don't rely on them for making important financial decisions, especially decisions concerning your housing. If you've got any questions about how this information applies to your given situation or your given transaction, please contact your mortgage broker directly, and they can give you advice. And any rate, fee, cost, or loan limit information was accurate at the time that the video was made, but may not be currently accurate because underwriting guidelines change all the time. So if you've got any questions about how this information relates to you specifically, contact your mortgage broker. So I hope you continue to enjoy the series. Thanks.